The Daily Code Snippet. Links are the defining feature of the web. They allow movement from one page to another. If we look into the history of HTML, we see that it was a language that was attributed to Tim Berners Lee. He is considered to be the father of the Internet. Tim Berners Lee is a British scientist who developed the World Wide Web while working for CERN in the late 1980s and early 1990s. The web was conceived in order to create a system for automated information sharing between scientists in academic settings all around the world. HTML is a way to annotate the research that was being done globally so that it would be a uniform language that could be understood by everybody. He also wanted a way to organize and link previous, current, and future research. So I think that's why HTML doesn't seem very intuitive or easy to understand. It is because the language was not developed for the general audience. It was a language that was developed for scientists to work together. Presented by Designers Learn Code.